Chapter 10, Lesson 4 notes, focusing on example 2. In numbers 4, 5, and 6, we're going to combine together what we know about central angles, inscribed angles, and congruent chords to answer questions. Okay, for problem number 4, the measure of angle BAD, and we're going to find the measure of arc AD. Sorry, you can hear my dog whining. I apologize. Okay, so we are given angle BCD is 94 degrees. Now, angle BCD is a central angle. Central angles are equal to their intercepted arcs. So if my central angle is 94 degrees, then arc BD is also 94 degrees. Now, arc BD is also an intercepted arc to angle BAD. And angle BAD is an inscribed angle. Inscribed angles are half the intercepted arc. So we know that the measure of angle BAD is equal to 1/2 the measure of arc BD. Now the measure of arc BD is 94 degrees. So we're going to take 1/2 of 94 degrees. We can plug this into your calculator by taking 94 divided by 2. And this would make the measure of angle BAD 47 degrees. Okay. Now, in addition to finding angle BAD, you're also asked to find the measure of arc AD. Measure of arc AD is out here. Okay, so I'm going to call this X because I'm not sure what the measure of that is. Now notice we have two congruent chords. Segment AD and segment AB are congruent to each other. And if we have congruent chords, then the intercepted arcs are also congruent. So that means arc AB will be the same as arc AD, so I can label that X as well. So to solve for arc AD, I'm going to solve for X. A full circle is 360 degrees, so I can take X plus 94 equal to 360 degrees. X plus X is 2X. So I have 2X plus 94 is equal to 360 degrees. I subtract 94 from both sides. I have 2X equals 266. Divide both sides by 2, and X is 133 degrees. So if X is 133 degrees, then the measure of arc AD is 133 degrees. Okay. I'm going to draw a line here to separate problem 4 from problem 5. Okay. In problem number 5, we are given inscribed angle BAD at 62 degrees. We want to find the measure of angle BCD and the measure of arc AD. Okay. Okay. Now we know the inscribed angle equals half the intercepted arc. Okay. So I need to find the measure of arc BD. So my inscribed angle is 62 degrees. This is equal to 1/2 of arc BD. Okay. 1/2 and the measure of arc BD is being multiplied. So the opposite would be to divide both sides by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2/1. On the left-hand side, I'm going to take 62 times 2, which is 124. Okay. On the right side, half of 2 is 1. Those cancel, and I'm left with the measure of arc BD. So So I know that arc BD is 124 degrees. Now, angle BCD is a central angle, and we know the central angle is equal to the intercepted arc. Therefore, the measure of arc BCD is also equal to 124 degrees. Last, I want to find the measure of arc AD. Okay, just as the last problem, arc AD has a chord segment AD that's congruent to chord AB, which means that arc AB and arc AD are congruent to each other. So if I label arc ADX, then I can also label arc ABX. A full circle is 360 degrees. So I can take x plus 124 is equal to 360 degrees. Combine like terms, x plus x makes 2x. Okay, I subtract 124 from both sides. We have 2x is equal to 236. I can divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 118. Okay, that means that the measure of arc AD is equal to 118 degrees. I would like for you to try problem number 6. Okay, when you're finished, find the next video and we will look at example 3.